And now we will see how we can download SmartConsole software from a dashboard and how we can install and use them. Okay, so let's go to login 192.168.100.50. Username was admin, password admin at 12345. So let me log in graphically to Checkpoint Firewall, and these blades are not available. If you can see, we cannot configure. It's grayed out because it's required this SmartConsole. So it's so easy to download from here. You can download from Checkpoint website as well. You need the same version, by the way, not the old one. The old one will not open this one, so you need the same one. So click on download now. So you can download SmartConsole. Click start. So it will take some time. So you need to download. It will take some time. It's almost 5 MB, 6 MB, around 6 MB to download. Okay, and then you click to double click to install. Okay, and then you need to choose the location where you want to install. By default in C program file, it's okay, and it will install, and then you can open it. So when it's done, then you need to type the username and password of the firewall and IP address and click login. You can use demo mode as well. So it's download, click open. So it's verify. So extracting, it will take some time, which I mentioned here. Okay, so you need to download and install this one on system admin, network or security engineer system to access the firewall. Okay, you can add many firewall, by the way, the gateway basically. So you can configure from centralized location. So it's asking me accept this one and click install. So it will install now SmartConsole on the default location which I choose. So it was welcome and then installation and then finish. It's so easy, not difficult. So we choose this one and now it will install, and after that I can open, and I can open the firewall to configure the blade and other configuration of Checkpoint Firewall gateway. So let's see, it's almost 36% done. So this how we can download and use SmartConsole. By the way, you can download from Checkpoint website as well, but it's easy. You can easily download from here as mentioned, and by the way, it's mentioned somewhere here as well which you can download. There is a so there is one place, this one, download SmartConsole. Okay, click to this one because it's locked, so you need to unlock, and here is download SmartConsole. Click on download to order to download Checkpoint. So click on download. So it's the same procedure. So you can come to maintenance and download SmartConsole. Either you can go to overview, and on the top you can see manage software blade using SmartConsole, download now. So it's up to you from where you want to download. Either you can go to website to download. So let's see, it's almost 69% done. Okay, you can type in Google SmartConsole to download. It will take you to Checkpoint website to download. So it's up to you from here you want, but keep in mind, as I told you, if you have an old version like 8010 something SmartConsole and you want to access this firewall, so it will not work. So you need almost the same version. Okay, that's the only issue you need to care about. Okay, so it's 87%, it's 90% almost done. And when we install SmartConsole and access this firewall, then we can access and we can manage these blades, which is not possible from here. It's grayed out, you can see here. Okay, and that's why it's mentioned here, manage software blades using SmartConsole. We will discuss about SmartConsole, we will check about, we will see blades as well, what is blade, what is SmartConsole, what is Gaia, what is firewall, and all those stuffs. This just to show you how we can install Checkpoint Firewall and how we can configure. So let's see, SmartConsole is almost done. It's basically a software, okay, from where you can manage many firewall. So let's see, it's 95%. we need to wait for another minute, and then we can access this firewall easily, and from here which we can access blades. So let's see. Okay, so it's done, SmartConsole, and we can launch them straight away. Okay, and click finish. So it will open, and it will make a shortcut here as well, by the way. So you can open from here, you can open from here SmartConsole, and you can open directly. So username which is on firewall is admin, password was admin@12345, and IP address of the firewall is 192.168.100.50. We don't need read only. If you want to read only, and if you want to see demo, click on login. Okay, so it will try to connect this checkpoint firewall 192.168.100.50, okay, which we just installed here. Okay, and let's see. So it's trying to connect. Just wait a minute, and it will show you fingerprint, and then it will proceed and you can connect. So we type admin, password admin12345, which we set up, and then we type the IP address of firewall and login. So here you can see, so it will show you fingerprint, and then click on proceed, and then you can access the firewall from here. Yeah, so it's come up now, proceed. Okay, and next tip is almost done, to show you the firewall, from where you can manage this firewall. You can configure blades, from where you can do a lot of stuff which you cannot from here. So let's see now. It's going to connect. First time it will take some time, but next time it will connect straight away. So let's see now. Yeah, that's it. We will connect and we will see. So okay, so let's see. Here you will see it will show you the status, name of the firewall which we gave them, IP address of the firewall, version of the firewall, active blade, which blades is enabled. We need a license. Okay, so hardware is open server, CPU usage, and how many updates are available, and this the other detail which they can show you here. These are objects. So it's come up now. Yeah, it's done. What's new, it will show you all the thing which you can download, but I don't need this window, so close this one, and here is, so the status is green. This the name of the firewall which we set up, this the IP address, version, active blade, login, and the other one is network policy management and firewall. Okay, these are updates and everything's are mentioned here. From here you can go to security policy, which we will see. Okay, and other detail which you can do. You can create objects, services, VPN, user, and all these things. So here is the last policy. This is the net rule. This is the threat prevention and HTTP inspection, which we will see in detail one by one. But anyway, it's there. Logs and monitor also available here. Okay, and if we go to manage and setting, it's all already here as well. So these are the blades if you want to set up general setup of these session and a lot of thing. Okay, and command line is also available, by the way. These are object if you want to create network object, host object, group, etc. And if you change anything, you need to install the policy here. It's the shortcut as well. Okay, and we will see the publish and all these stuffs. But anyway, this was Checkpoint SmartConsole, how we can download and we can configure and install.